The Coral Princess just completed a massive renovation, and I've got to say, Princess Cruises really stepped up their game with this one. After spending time analyzing every deck, dining venue, and amenity, this ship has some serious surprises that most people don't expect from a mid-sized vessel. Let me be honest up front, this isn't your typical megaship experience, and that's exactly what makes it special. The Coral Princess carries around 2,700 passengers, which means you get that sweet spot between having enough activities to keep busy and actually being able to find a quiet corner when you need one. Fortune teller hook, this ship is changing how people think about mid-sized cruise vessels. While everyone's chasing the biggest ships on the water, Princess quietly created something that might just be better. The Coral Princess proves you don't need a floating city to have an incredible vacation. Starting with where you'll actually sleep, the staterooms on Coral Princess come in 4 main categories, and each one has been thoughtfully designed. The interior staterooms might not have windows, but they're surprisingly spacious at around 160 square feet. Princess didn't just throw a bed in a box and call it done. These inside cabins feature Princess's signature luxury bed with premium linens, a decent-sized bathroom with a shower, and enough storage space that you won't be living out of your suitcase. The clever design includes a small seating area that doubles as storage, which is honestly genius for the space they're working with. The ocean view staterooms bump up the space slightly and give you that crucial window to the outside world. There's something about waking up to ocean views that just hits different, even if you're not spending much time in your room. These rooms run about 170 square feet and include the same quality bedding and bathroom setup as the interior cabins. Now here's where things get interesting: the balcony staterooms. These aren't just rooms with a tiny step-out balcony like some cruise lines try to pass off. The Coral Princess balconies are actually usable spaces where you can sit, have your morning coffee, or just watch the world go by. The rooms themselves are around 200 square feet, plus that private outdoor space. The suites are where Princess really shows off. The mini suites give you a separate seating area, a larger balcony, and priority boarding. But the real winners are the full suites, some over 400 square feet with walk-in closets, separate living areas, and balconies big enough to actually entertain guests. They even throw in perks like priority dining reservations and complimentary laundry service. What impressed me most about the accommodations is the attention to accessibility. Princess has done an excellent job with ADA-compliant cabins that don't feel like afterthoughts. Wide doorways, roll-in showers, and lowered fixtures make these rooms genuinely functional for guests with mobility needs. When it comes to food, the Coral Princess doesn't mess around. The main dining rooms, there are 3 of them, serve up solid traditional cruise fare with rotating menus that actually change throughout your cruise. The Botticelli dining room focuses on Italian-inspired dishes, while the Da Vinci dining room leans more toward classic American and international cuisine. But here's where most people miss out: the specialty dining venues are where this ship really shines. Sabatini's Italian trattoria serves some of the best pasta I've had on any cruise ship, and I'm not just saying that because I was hungry after a long day at sea. Their osso buco is legitimately restaurant quality. The Crown Grill Steakhouse is another standout. Yes, there's an extra charge, but when you're talking about perfectly cooked steaks and an extensive wine list, it's worth every penny. The atmosphere feels more like a high-end land restaurant than typical cruise ship dining. For casual dining, the Horizon Court Buffet covers all the basics and then some. Breakfast includes made-to-order omelets, lunch has everything from Asian stir-fry to deli sandwiches, and dinner features different themed nights throughout the week. The pizza served poolside is surprisingly good, crispy crust, quality toppings, and available almost anytime you want it. The International Cafe deserves its own mention. This isn't just a coffee shop, it's a legitimate European-style cafe serving pastries, light meals, and some of the best coffee at sea. The baristas actually know what they're doing, which isn't always a given on cruise ships. Don't overlook the room service either. Available 24 hours for most items, and the continental breakfast delivery is complimentary. There's something luxurious about having fresh fruit and coffee delivered to your balcony while you watch the sunrise over the ocean. Pool areas on cruise ships can make or break the daytime experience, and Coral Princess gets this right. The main pool deck centers around the Neptune pool, which isn't huge but never feels overcrowded thanks to the ship's size. The surrounding deck has plenty of loungers, and they're actually comfortable, not those torture devices some cruise lines call chairs. The adults-only sanctuary provides a completely different vibe. For a small daily fee, you get access to this serene retreat with premium loungers, dedicated service, and most importantly, no kids running around. It's basically a resort within a resort experience that's worth every penny if you value peace and quiet. The Lotus Pool offers a more intimate setting, perfect for those who want to swim some laps or just float without fighting crowds. The two whirlpools flanking the main pool area provide the perfect spot to unwind after a day exploring ports or participating in onboard activities. What sets Coral Princess apart in the pool department is the thoughtful design. Instead of cramming everything into one chaotic deck, they've created distinct areas for different moods. Want to party and people watch? Head to the main pool. Need to relax? The sanctuary has you covered. Looking for something in between? The Lotus Pool area strikes that perfect balance. The deck space around all these pools is generous, with plenty of shaded areas for those who prefer to avoid turning into lobsters. The pool bars keep the drinks flowing without having to trek across the ship, and the service is consistently good throughout the day. Activities on the Coral Princess strike that sweet spot between having enough to do and not feeling overwhelmed by choices. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and enough space that you're not bumping into other people during your workout. The ocean views from the treadmills definitely beat staring at a gym wall back home. The sports deck includes a basketball court that doubles as a volleyball court, perfect for burning off all those cruise calories. The walking track circles the ship on Deck 7, giving you different views as you complete your laps. It's marked for distance so you can actually track your progress if that's your thing. For those who prefer less sweaty activities, the library offers a quiet retreat with books, magazines, and comfortable seating overlooking the ocean. The card room hosts daily tournaments and games, creating a social atmosphere for those who enjoy some friendly competition. The Princess Theater hosts different shows throughout the cruise, from production shows featuring the ship's talented performers to guest entertainers and comedians. The sound system and sight lines are excellent from almost every seat, which isn't always the case on cruise ships. Movies Under the Stars takes outdoor entertainment to the next level. This giant LED screen shows recent releases and classic films while you lounge on deck chairs with complimentary popcorn. There's something magical about watching a movie under the stars while sailing through the ocean. The casino offers all the usual games: slots, blackjack, poker, and roulette in a space that feels upscale without being intimidating. Even if you're not much of a gambler, it's worth checking out the tournaments and lessons they offer throughout the cruise. The Lotus Spa brings serious relaxation to the Coral Princess experience. This isn't just a basic massage setup, it's a full wellness center designed to help you actually unwind. The spa menu includes everything from traditional massages to more unique treatments like hot stone therapy and aromatherapy sessions. The thermal suite provides a perfect way to start or end your spa day. With different saunas, steam rooms, and relaxation areas, you can spend hours here just decompressing from everyday life. The heated ceramic loungers are particularly amazing. They warm your entire body while you listen to the ocean outside. Fitness classes happen throughout the day, from early morning yoga on deck to afternoon Pilates sessions. The instructors are knowledgeable and good at adapting exercises for different fitness levels. The morning stretch classes on the pool deck are particularly popular and a great way to start the day. The spa products used in treatments are high quality, and unlike some cruise spas, they don't pressure you into buying everything they use. The staff focuses on providing excellent service rather than pushing retail sales, which makes the whole experience more relaxing. One thing that impressed me is how they've integrated wellness throughout the ship, not just in the spa. You'll find healthy options in all the dining venues, fitness classes in various locations, and even wellness seminars that teach practical tips you can use long after your cruise ends. The kids and teens programs on Coral Princess are surprisingly comprehensive for a ship this size. The Kids Club divides children into age-appropriate groups with activities designed specifically for each stage. The 3 to 7-year-olds get story time, arts and crafts, and supervised play that keeps them engaged without being overwhelming. Older kids, ages 8 to 12, have access to more adventure-focused activities like scavenger hunts throughout the ship, sports competitions, and educational programs that actually make learning fun. The counselors are trained professionals who know how to keep kids entertained while ensuring parents can relax. The teen program recognizes that teenagers need their own space and activities. The teen lounge provides a cool hangout spot with games, music, and activities designed specifically for this age group. Late-night teen activities give them something to do while parents enjoy adult time. Family-friendly amenities extend beyond just the kids' programs. The family pool area provides space where everyone can hang out together, and many dining venues offer kids' menus with options that go beyond the usual chicken nuggets and pizza. What really works about the children's programs is that they're optional. Kids can participate as much or as little as they want, and parents can easily check in on activities or pull their children out for family time. This flexibility makes the cruise work for different family styles and preferences. The ports of call and shore excursions available through Coral Princess depend on your specific itinerary, but Princess consistently chooses interesting destinations and offers well-organized excursions. Their shore excursion team does an excellent job of providing options for different activity levels and interests. Whether you're interested in cultural experiences, adventure activities, or just relaxing on beautiful beaches, the excursion options typically cover all the bases. The guides are knowledgeable locals who provide insights you wouldn't get exploring on your own. What I appreciate about Princess's approach to ports is that they provide enough information for you to make informed decisions about whether to book ship excursions or explore independently. They're not pushy about booking through them, but they do make it convenient with transportation and timing that ensures you won't miss the ship. The port talks held before each destination give you practical information about what to expect, local customs, currency, and safety considerations. These presentations are genuinely helpful rather than just sales pitches for excursions. Looking at the overall experience, the Coral Princess succeeds by focusing on quality over quantity. Instead of trying to cram every possible amenity onto the ship, they've chosen to do fewer things really well. The result is a cruise experience that feels more refined and less chaotic than many larger vessels. The service throughout the ship consistently exceeds expectations. Staff members remember your preferences, anticipate your needs, and genuinely seem to care about ensuring you have a great time. This level of personal attention is harder to achieve on megaships with thousands more passengers. The ship size creates a more intimate atmosphere where you'll start recognizing fellow passengers and can actually find quiet spaces when you need them. You're not fighting crowds for pool chairs or waiting in long lines for everything. If there's a weakness, it might be that passengers looking for the most cutting-edge amenities or the widest variety of activities might find the options somewhat limited compared to the newest megaships. But for many people, this focus on quality over quantity is exactly what makes the cruise special. What makes the Coral Princess unique is its ability to provide a premium cruise experience without the overwhelming scale of larger ships. The ship strikes an excellent balance between having enough amenities to keep everyone happy and maintaining an intimate atmosphere where you can actually relax. The recent renovations have brought the ship up to current standards while maintaining the classic elegance that Princess is known for. The attention to detail in everything from cabin design to dining venue decor shows that Princess invested serious thought and money into making this ship special. The Coral Princess also benefits from Princess's extensive experience in cruise operations. Everything runs smoothly because they've had decades to perfect their systems and train their staff. You feel confident that they know what they're doing. For business travelers or groups looking to combine work with pleasure, the Coral Princess offers several meeting rooms and conference facilities. These spaces can accommodate small corporate retreats or special events with audiovisual equipment and catering services available. The business center provides internet access, printing services, and a quiet environment for those who need to handle work matters during their cruise. While most people cruise to get away from work, it's nice to know these facilities exist if needed. Guest experiences on the Coral Princess consistently highlight the exceptional service and attention to detail. Passengers frequently mention staff members who went out of their way to make special occasions memorable or who remembered personal preferences throughout the cruise. One story that stands out involves the dining staff surprising a couple celebrating their anniversary with a specially decorated table and complimentary champagne, even though they hadn't specifically mentioned the occasion. These kinds of personal touches happen regularly and create lasting memories. The Coral Princess represents what cruising can be when a cruise line focuses on doing things right rather than just doing more things. It's a ship that proves bigger isn't always better, and sometimes the best cruise experience comes from thoughtful design, excellent service, and just the right amount of everything you need for a perfect vacation at sea.